What's going on, man? It's the boy Cam Trades, and I just want to give my thoughts on the market. And this is something that I want to start to do every single day. Just give my thoughts on the market and a few stocks inside the stock market. Starting off with the S&P 500. So, in my opinion, the market may pull back down. That's just my opinion. Just going with this short-term downtrend that you see right here. You see we making lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, and I expect this to be a lower high to take it right back down. Now, my opinion do not have to be correct. I am not a master. I am not a market master. It's just my opinion and how I look at these charts. And looking at this downtrend, I believe that we just going to keep going down. Now, with my belief, you still have to react to what the market gives you. So, in my opinion, if we was to gap up, you can short this market at this 595 to 597 area to take it right back down. Now, if we gap down, the bulls, they have one more chance to bounce off of this support level around this 587 to 586 area. But if they fail to hold this area tomorrow, I believe that we're going to see a nice rundown, very quick, very volatile, very fast. And yeah, that's really all I have for this stock. Just my levels and the levels that you just want to pay attention to tomorrow, man. And I'm going to move on to the next stock. And my next thing I want to look at is Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, we have the same exact thing that you see on SPY. We have a lower low, lower high, and a lower low, which tells us that we're in a bear trend. I'm sorry. So in that bear trend, you want to participate in sales. You want to get in on the lower high confirmation though. So the bulls must hold this 95,000 area. And if they fail to, then I believe that Bitcoin's going to have a nice fall down to this 79,000 area. The bulls can pop up there again. If not, we're going to come down to the 67,000 area. And that's where I believe that Bitcoin could bounce off and then run back up to 100,000. Now, if Bitcoin managed to get above this 101,000 area, then I believe that Bitcoin is going to see another run up. And this run up may lead us up to the 110,000, 115, and 120,000 area. And that's why I'm saying, like, you just have to react off of these levels. And I'm going to just give you my bias. So my bias here, I want to see this. Another run down. And you got your key levels right here that you want to watch tomorrow. Once again, we have important news tomorrow. And that news is going to tell us exactly what we need to do. Whether it's this, say the news is good, and we see this. You want to see this, and you buy right here. And say the news is bad, and we see this. You want to buy right here whenever it's making a higher low to take it down. So that's my opinion on Bitcoin. This is a nice buy right here. This was a nice buy candle, reversal candle. So that's a good sign for the bulls, actually. For the bulls to just keep this thing running on up. Like I said, my opinion don't have to be so, you don't have to lean on my opinion so much. It's just my opinion. At the end of the day, I'm not going to solely depend on my opinion. I'm going to just react to the levels, and I'm going to give you the levels to react to as well. But I'm going to also give you my opinion on what I believe that the market may do. And then the next thing I want to look at is Sofi. If you see Sofi, it's the same thing. They're all the same. Lower low, lower high, and the lower low. Now Sofi look very bullish. I tell you that because you see we had this pullback right here, and we just ran up. So really we have this higher high, higher low, and a higher high. So if Sofi tomorrow gaps up above 1565, then you can go very long on Sofi to go attack this level. And in my opinion, it's 20 level right here, and eventually I believe that Sofi will come all the way up here to this high. So that's how you're gonna play Sofi. This look very, 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 very bullish. So we just gonna react off of tomorrow's news once again. So if Sofi is bullish, that can be bullish for every stock that I just named, basically. And then the last stock that we're gonna look at is the AI stock, Nvda. Nvda is in a downtrend. As of now, you see we made a new high. We made a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. That's bullish, but this was a pretty hard sell-off. Like you see, this was one day. Once it made the new higher high, dropped about $13, and it been dropping ever since. And never pulled back until now. So I think that's a very bad sign. And for you to be bullish on this stock, we need to see a break above this 140 area. Other than that, you want to look for shorting opportunities. They have support at 133. If we lose that 133 area again, then that's bad news for Nvda, and I believe we'll come down to this 122 area. So let me put this right here, and I'm gonna put a line. So this is your level on Nvda. You got calls above 140. You got puts below 132. And if I go to Bitcoin, you got calls above 101,000. You got puts below 96,000. If we go back to SPY, let's go to Sofi. So Sofi, you got calls above 1561, and you have puts below, I would say it's 1450 area. Puts below here. If we fail to get above here and tomorrow we just start pulling down. So that would be my opinion on that one. And then the first one I went over, but the last one for SPY, you have calls above 598 and you have puts below 587. So now your goal, your job is to just wait. Just wait and see what it does off of your key levels. And that's all you want to do with this. But yeah, man, thank you for watching this. Good luck tomorrow. Good luck the next day. This wasn't the best video. This is my first video. Plan to get better and better, but the information was real. The levels is real. No matter how I may say it, the levels is legit. These are legit levels that you can go off of and you can make money off of. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.